Good day everyone. Today, I will discuss the downsides of the global city and some key issues related to it. First, let us understand what a global city is. A global city is a highly developed urban area that plays an important role in international trade, finance, culture, and communication. Examples include cities like New York, Tokyo, and London. Although these cities provide many opportunities, they also have several disadvantages. One downside is high cost. Living in a global city is very expensive. The cost of housing, transportation, and daily needs is usually higher compared to smaller cities. Because of this, many people struggle to afford basic living expenses. Another issue is alienation and impersonality. In large cities, people are often very busy and focused on work because of this fast-paced lifestyle. Relationships between people can become less personal. Some individuals may feel lonely even though they are surrounded by many people. There is also social isolation, where individuals feel disconnected from the community. This can affect mental and emotional well-being. In addition, discrimination against migrants can also happen. Some migrants who move to global cities for better opportunities may experience unfair treatment because of their background or nationality. There are also key issues related to global cities, such as diversity and community. While diversity can enrich culture and ideas, it can also create challenges in building unity and understanding among different groups. Lastly, mobility in community is another issue. While transportation and movement in global cities are advanced, the constant movement of people can make it harder to build stable and long-term community relationships. Overall, global cities offer many benefits, but it is also important to understand and address the social challenges that come with them. Thank you.